Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Xbox app Install Blocked error on Windows 11. First, open the Windows settings and go to Apps. After that, open Installed Apps and search for Gaming Services. Click on the three dots next to it and open Advanced Options. Scroll down and first click Repair. Wait for the process to finish, then click Reset. This will refresh the Gaming Services app and fix corrupted files that may be causing the issue. Now repeat the same steps for the Xbox app. Open its Advanced Options page, then use both the Repair and Reset options. Once both apps have been reset, restart your computer. This helps Windows apply the changes properly. After restarting, open the Xbox app. Click on your profile picture in the top left corner and select Support. Here, look for the Gaming Services Repair tool and click Run. This tool will automatically detect and fix problems related to Xbox installations and gaming services. Next, open the Microsoft Store and go to the Library section. Click on Get Updates to install the latest updates for the Xbox app, gaming services, and other Microsoft apps. Finally, open Windows Settings again and go to Windows Update. Check for updates and install any available system updates. Running the latest version of Windows can fix compatibility issues that prevent games from installing. After completing all these steps, try installing your game again and the Xbox app should work normally. Thanks for watching.